Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a kitchen essential that's perfect for carving up your holiday turkey or even tackling DIY projects. I'm your host, and in this episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the Hamilton Beach electric knife set. The Hamilton Beach electric knife set is making waves as one of the best electric knives for carving meats, bread, and even crafting foam. Let's dive right into why this product has garnered so much attention. First off, let's talk about the key features that make this electric knife stand out from the competition. This knife effortlessly carves through ham, turkey, roasts, and artisan bread loaves, making it the perfect turkey carving knife for your holiday feasts. But it doesn't stop there, it's also a favorite among crafters for easily cutting foam and other materials for DIY projects. The Hamilton Beach electric knife boasts a powerful 120-watt motor and reciprocating stainless steel blades with serrated edges. This combination provides you with the precision and control needed to cut quickly and evenly every time you slice, whether it's turkey or foam. The compact storage case included with the set keeps the knife, blades, and carving fork neatly organized in one place. No more rummaging through drawers to find your knife components. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold in either hand. The hand-contoured grip ensures a secure hold, and the knife is easy to operate with a simple trigger control. The extra-long 5-foot cord provides plenty of reach, allowing you to carve large meats right at the table. It's also fantastic for cutting foam and materials for crafts and DIY projects. So, there you have it, folks. The Hamilton Beach electric knife set is a versatile and handy tool for your kitchen and DIY needs. With its precision, ease of use, and ergonomic design, it's no wonder it's becoming a favorite among home cooks and crafters alike. If you want to make your holiday turkey carving a breeze or need a reliable tool for your crafting projects, consider adding this fantastic electric knife to your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more insightful product reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy carving and crafting!